Hi guys, today is going to be a great day because I'm going to show you how to make the nicest, simplest chicken balls ever. Now, I'm going to show you how to make chicken balls in a couple of minutes, but what I want to do first is I want to talk you through some key ingredients and what I like to use and maybe some methods as well. Number one, most important thing about these chicken balls is Green Dragon self-raising flour. Now, you have to get this self-raising flour for the simple reason is if you don't get it, they're not going to taste the same. It's the best self-raising flour you can get. It's Chinese, it's just, trust me on this when you need to get this. The next thing I'm going to say is a key ingredient for chicken balls, in my opinion, is they're Chinese, we all know them, we all love them. Some of you ain't going to like to hear this, but it's MSG. I know some of you have an opinion on MSG. Personally, I love it, but I only use it in some of my Chinese dishes. It's not a staple or anything like that, so just use a small bit, there's not going to be anything wrong. The next thing is, today's chicken balls I'm going to cook in my white fryer. Now my white fryer heats the oil from the bottom up and the oil sits in a tray, so it heats from the bottom up, whereas more traditional fryers tend to have an operation like this. I've only put this one into retirement so I can show you. Tend to have to heat from these prongs and heats the oil. Now you'll see today I literally throw my balls in, so what happens is it'll go to the bottom and has nowhere to grip onto, so it has to cook and go back up. But with these traditional fryers, it clicks onto your, the dough isn't cooked yet, so it catches onto your basket, which isn't ideal. So what I have done is the method I use to overcome this, as I've been using this for years. Kebab skewer, pierce your chicken through the kebab skewer, put it into your dough, mix it round, gather it all up, into your oil, 5 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and with a spoon push it off, and when it goes and hits the basket, it already has a layer on it. The cooked batter, the batter is more or less cooked and firm enough at the bottom, so it's not going to grab onto the basket. Anyway, let's jump in and make these balls, and if you like today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, or if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscription and notification button. Okay guys, we're going to start by making our batter now for the chicken balls. The important thing is to always use Green Dragon self-raising flour. Now we'll add some flour, a teaspoon of salt, add some water and give it a good mix. Now we're looking for a thick consistency here, not too light. Okay guys, we're now going to cut up our chicken breast. I like to cut it into both thicker pieces and smaller pieces, so they'll cook evenly. Quick thing, you want to make sure you have all the fat trimmed off your chicken breast and also the gooey veins and blood that there's off from the young chicken breasts. Okay, next on to the seasoning. We have a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of white pepper, and a half a teaspoon of MSG. Now mix that in thoroughly to your chicken and let it season. Okay, now we put some flour into a plastic container and put our chicken into the container, close the lid and give it a real good shake. This is very important to make sure that the batter sticks to the chicken. Now, with a sieve, place all your chicken in the sieve and shake off all that excess flour. Now to fry our chicken balls. Now have your oil heated to 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure your oil is no hotter than this, as you don't want to burn the chicken balls. They want to be a nice golden colour and not too dark. Now, one by one, put your chicken balls into the batter, give them a real good covering and into the fryer. Make sure to do the biggest chicken balls first. Now, chicken balls have to be cooked for a minimum of 8 minutes. Now move the chicken balls around side to side and upside down so they get covered completely in oil. Now our chicken balls are cooked. Take them out, shake off that excess oil and put them on a kitchen towel. Now they're ready for serving. They're light, they're golden brown, they're delicious, and I hope you enjoy them as much as I do.